This is called the mirror stitch. This is number 31 in my series of going through 440 stitches. If you want to learn the mirror stitch, I can teach you. Let's get started on that tutorial. Today's stitch is going to be the mirror stitch, and the mirror stitch is going to be number 31 in my series of going through 440 stitches. The mirror stitch is done in multiples of 4 plus 2 for the foundation chain. I am using a 5.5 hook and just some acrylic yarn that I have right here. Now, I am going to be using 3 different colors just to demonstrate how the mirror stitch looks with multiple colors, but you can choose to do what you want with it. You don't have to use different colors, although you'll be able to see the stitch better if you do. But let's go ahead and get started on the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the slip knot. And I'm going to just count in multiples of 4. So we're going to go ahead and just do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 to the foundation chain. 1, 2. Okay, and that makes us a good solid foundation chain. So what we're going to do now is find the second stitch from the hook, which is 1, 2, and we're going to put a single crochet into that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So in this stitch and this stitch, we're going to put a single crochet. So we put a single crochet right into this one, single crochet right into this one. And now what we're going to do is we are going to chain up 1. So you're going to chain up 1, and then you're going to skip 1. So we're going to skip this stitch, and then we're going to put a single crochet into this stitch here, and a single crochet right into this stitch here. Okay, and a single crochet in the next one. So you're going to do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then we chain up 1, skip 1, and then we put a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're going to chain 1, and we are going to go ahead and put or skip 1 and then put a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Okay, so this stitch you're using single crochets and double crochets and a treble. All right, so we have 1 stitch left. So we're like, okay, what do we do with that 1 stitch? We're just going to go ahead and we're going to put a single crochet into it, just to close off that round. Okay, and so I'm going to give you a little hack, because when you look at this, you're like, where are my chain stitches at? I can't seem to find my chain stitches. What I am going to do is I'm going to put some stitch markers just to remind me where my chain spaces are at, because we're going to need them and we want to be able to find them. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we started off here and we're looking for our chain space, okay, so we did 1, 2, and then our chain space is going to be right here. See how big that is? That is our chain space. Okay, so I'm going to put this stitch marker. I'm actually going to put it on the bottom half because I don't want it to get in the way of what I'm doing on the next one. Okay, and then so I look 1, 2, 3, and then here is my chain space right here.